Hey, we're at a car park in Wellington. Well, it's a combined car park and office building. Lifts have been modernised. The doors have been recovered outside on this bottom floor. Dewhurst call button. So as we can see, these are old OTIS lifts. Four's the highest we can go. That's interesting because the right-hand car wouldn't let me go higher than 2. So it's interesting that this car will let me go to 4. Oh, that does not sound good. So outside in the car park we can see the original lift doors. I'm going to press both buttons and see if we can call both cars. Oh, there's actually a new triangle key lock being fitted on this door. Oh, the lift's gone down. Where's the door lock on this door? Yes, here's the right car. Look at that. That's just a mess. Down to ground. Ever bright. Not sure who's done the modernisation. Jeez, these lifts are rough. There it goes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, then head over to my channel where you can explore more than a decade's worth of videos, or you can subscribe to see my latest videos when they're released. Don't forget that you can also follow me on Instagram for exclusive posts, and you can join my weekly live streams.